got a lot of stuff. We got some vintage air, got an entire wire harness for the car here, electric e-brake going on, some power steps, have all of our leads for all of the switches and the dash and stuff. So we could just stick the dash in here, plug everything in, and it's mostly good to go after that. We got some cool features for the steps themselves. In case you ever take the doors off, there's going to be a couple switches in the glove box here to where you could make it to where it cancels out these door switches so your dome lights don't stay on. And another switch is going to make it to where you can put the steps in and out manually without having the door open or closed. Well, putting all this together, we got a nice 347 small block Ford Sniper EFI going on with some Hydro Boost, wheelwood brakes, AC. This box right here controls all of our fans for both the radiator and the transmission cooler fan. All of our relays for the fuel pump and AC stuff.
So we're working on this Bronco. We're doing a sub box in the back. We have two downfire TW310s. Working on mocking up all the trim panels that are gonna make it look all pretty and nice and tie in with the rest of the interior of this thing. Back seat in, sitting there so I can mock up all this stuff, wrapped in some nice distressed brown leather. Front seats are gonna match that. Just some side panels sitting here. They hold some speakers up front, some C3 570s. We got Morel 2-ways in the kick panels, and running a 606 and a 601 in this thing for amps, JL, XDM stuff.